Yeah, that should do it. I don't understand. That should have done it. I mean, I even said that should do it. That's how confident I was.
You know who's not stuck in another dimension now? Judy Rosenthal. Yeah, her son's an optometrist.
I could really use Smart Mort right now. He's got to be somewhere in that brain of yours.
He won't come out without coffee.
Does coffee exist in this multiverse?
He says he wants coffee. What's coffee? I don't have any coffee. It sounds good. Hey, that's a good idea. You want some coffee? If we went to a coffee place, we could find some coffee to buy. Coffee? Of course we have coffee.
Woohoo! We're saved!
You're okay with decaf, right? Ow!
Sorry, that one got out ahead of me.
Oh, no. Is my little scientist stumped?
Yeah, Mombot, a little. How do we caffeinate Mort in a multiverse with no caffeine?
There's the million-dollar question. Maybe you should have thought about that before you threw your whole life away with the science mishigas.
I made it very clear. If I had gone to accounting school like you wanted, it would have crushed my soul.
Is that why you can't pick up a phone? You think you're the only one getting their soul crushed? Or the nerve on you?
Soul! Wait, soul! Mort has been absorbing souls from Mort's in alternate universes.
You say that like it's perfectly normal and not totally freaking insane!
Yeah, Smart Mort still has to be in there somewhere. In Mort's subconscious! We just have to send Mort deep inside his own mind to pull Smart Mort out.
Oy vey!
Yeah, that's a big oy vey from me too, Mombot. What are you doing to my brain, Mathlete's foot?
I've rigged Mombot's ocular scanners to beam images directly into your retina, creating a deep hypnosis that will allow you to journey to your subconscious and locate Smart Mort. So get in there, bring back Smart Mort, and let's fix this portal. I think I'm really hypnotizing him.
You know, Shelley Kaufman's son is a real hypnotist.
Shush, this is incredible. I think he's gone deep into the recesses of his mind.
Wow, it's a little dark in here. I want to be your friend. Hi. Come play with us, Mort, forever. I'm gonna eat you.
I shan't be condescended to, madam. I shan't!
Oh, that's gotta be Smart Mort. They are as hot as los muertos. Intruder! Intruder! This way, little Morty. I just put on a kettle of chamomile. Grammy! Put one out in my head. Grammy, it's me, Mort.
The spider has ensnared the fly.
Oh. Hey, Morty, come and give Grammy a big old kiss. I don't want your kisses, Grammy. I'm a big boy now. I just want Smart Mort to come with me. Sorry, Sugar Bear. I use Smart Mort as bait. And now that I've got you, I don't reckon anybody can stop me. Stop you from what? I'm finding a way out of here. And then I'll take control of your body and replace you. Huh? And you'll be trapped in this creepy prison you call a mind. Oh, my God!
Oh! You've really stepped in it now, old boy.
You got any ideas? If she finds her way out, we're both trapped down here forever.
Well, friend, if we are in fact trapped inside your subconscious, perhaps we have some sort of tactical advantage down here.
Yeah? Like what?
If this locked door is in your mind, perhaps you can simply think yourself free.
Maybe you're right. I am kind of known for being a big thinker around the village.
I assure you that is not the case. But If you succeed in freeing me, I in turn will help you repair your little portal machine.
Okay, here it goes.
Oh, dear.
My grunting unlocked the door.
Timo, should we take your little boyish friend out of his trance?
If we bring him back too fast, his brain could go kerflooey. He's gonna have to save himself.
Use your mind!
Honey mustard. Well, I'll be. What kind of voodoo are you in league with, Sonny? You forgot this is my brain, Granny. And the only one who's gonna do weird stuff in here is me. Well, if that's how the spirit moves you. I probably know karate in here, right? Hiya! Oh, yeah, there it is. Come and get some, Granny.
Look out, I say! More morts are coming, Mort! Oh.
1 minute. What's wrong, Mort? Didn't I always make you yummy food? Didn't I always let you massage my bunions and scrape my elbow moles? Scrape your own moles, Granny. I'm sorry it had to end this way. You know, you always were a pretty good grandson before you consumed my essence. Hey, Granny, make a wish, you old night creature! Wishing well.
Good show, old boy. My intellect is at your service. Now show me the way out of here.
He's not breathing. Live! Live! He's just a child.
Well, don't just stand there, mouths agape, legs akimbo. Let's build ourselves a smashing interdimensional portal, shall we?